But she's also concerned Max might get a serious childhood illness. Heidi Blank did. The now 11-month-old caught whooping cough when she was only weeks old. She was still too young to be vaccinated against it and ended up in the hospital.
Then she would just get congested and she couldn't breathe, and she turned blue a few times, and so that was the scariest part.
Emily Blank is a teacher. She thinks she caught pertussis, or whooping cough, from an unvaccinated student and then passed it on to her baby. Emily had the vaccine as a child, but the protection had apparently worn off.
Before the pertussis or whooping cough vaccine was developed, there was about 9,000 deaths a year in the United States due to pertussis.